welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, aka RoseMetics. So why did I hit the table? I sound a little like sick because yeah, I'm getting a cold. I'm getting a cold. Guys, you should see what I put my phone on. Wow, I have no words. But today I am going to review the Juvias Place palette. And is it recording? Okay. And I have a little story on this palette right here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review the Juvias Place palette, and I got it for $20, and I went on their website and I ordered it. This is the Warrior palette, and yeah, let's open it and see what's in there. I did not open it because I wanted to give you guys like a fresh review, so yeah. So there's like foam in there. That's my packaging paper. I don't think I need that. And we have our palette. Ooh, it's pretty. It's pretty. Okay, we're gonna open it. Is that where I'm supposed to open it? Oops. And we have the palette. Ooh, I like it. It's like Black Girl Magic, you know? And it says The Warrior by Juvias. So yeah, that's the Warrior palette, and it retails for $20, and you can get it on their website. I'm going to put it in the link down below. So, ooh, my nail, I lost it. In the link down below. So yeah, and let's open it and see. I'm scared. Drum rolls. Ready? This can't be right. No, I need my money back. Look at this. No way. What? This is not fair. All of this, I'm so mad right now. All of this like packaging and everything. What? I'm so mad. I'm going on there with I'm gonna return that and get my money back, or they're gonna send me another one. No way. No way. So go ahead and click like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. So I'm quickly going to do some swatches of the new one on my arm for you guys, because I have to get ready for my graduation. And guys, I'm graduating. I am going to swatch Amina right here on top. Guys, look at these colors, let me tell you. Next we have Hydra, and we have a transition shade right here. It's called Mino. Right here. It's a little, oh, did I not? It stayed on my finger. Mino, what are you doing to me? Huh? It stayed on my finger, but it's not showing up on my arm. And next we have a Hosi. I don't know, guys, please don't come at me. I don't know how to say those names. Yeah, I will never use this. But yeah, anyways, carry on. Moremi right here. Grab another finger. I don't understand. Why does it do this? Like, I don't know if you can see that. Let me try. But do you see like I swapped it with my finger? All the glitter shades did that, and I swapped it with my finger. But the transition shades are fine. I don't know. Juvias, I don't know, sis. Anyways, we have Kano or Kano. We have Kano, and then guys, I have to hurry up. And we have Dahomey is like a copper-ish color. Dahomey is the more like of a copper color. And then we have Bakwa right here. Yes, this is like straight up yellow. This is golden, but this is straight up yellow. But then again, this one and that one kind of look the same. I don't know, but that's what I see. And last but not least, we have Benin right here. I have no more finger space. These are all the shades right here. There you go. This palette has 6 shimmery shades and 3 transition shades. I think you can make a complete look with this, but it's gonna be like very neutral. So if you want to add like a little color to it, I feel like you have to use like a color palette or like a transition, not a transition palette, but it's gonna be like, I feel like it's gonna be super like neutral, you know? It's gonna be all natural and everything. So yeah, basically I'm gonna try to use this palette and do my face with it. And I don't know what I'm gonna do to this old palette, guys. I might end up like, I'm gonna use the new one for the video, of course, but I might end up I might just keep using this until it finishes and then move on to that one. I don't know. That's what I'm gonna do, or I might just give it to my mom. To start my brows, I'm going to use this MAC brow pomade in the shade Black Track. If I don't have this, I have no eyebrows. I love this thing. It's so good. Thank you, MAC, for creating this. The same concealer I always use in the shade Toffee. Focus on me. This is a face right here. Focus on my face. Thank you. Started to bake my brows with this. One day I just picked that up and I was like, why don't I just put this on my eyebrows? Because I saw it on Instagram. So then now I'm going to bake my brows. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Powder. So yeah, just gonna lightly dab it on the brow. I'm going to take the Kano shade and put it as transition color. Whoa, whoa. Huh?
What did you just do to yourself?
What did I just do to you?
It's me, I'm back with a new hairdo.
To restart and put a concealer base because I realized that it wasn't sticking and looking as good. It was creasing. The eyeshadow was creasing, so I restarted. I put a base and then I put Kano all around the crease and I put Mino in like the edge. So now I am about to cut my crease so I can put some golden shades and be done. So I tried to work something out. I don't know if it's good or not, but yeah. Because this palette, I don't understand. I don't know if it's because today I can't do my face, or I don't know if it's the new one. The new one is weird. Like the colors are not sticking to my skin. I put concealer, I took it off like 2-3 times. It's not sticking to my skin and it's not as pigmented as my broken one. So then I opened the broken one and then I started using the broken one, and that's how I tried to manage to get this. But Juvias, huh? You got some questions to answer, bro. What is going on? Like this brown, the Mino brown was giving me so much problems in the new palette, but in this old palette it's fine. But this one, it like literally is translucent. I don't get it. Juvias makes me question. Mother Juvias makes me question, because this is translucent in the new one, but in the old one it matches perfectly. It took me a long time to try to like get the makeup to work. It's the same thing, it's just that side transparent. I don't see anything. Juvia's got some questions to answer, mother. They got some questions to answer to the YouTubes. Let me finish my face now. Where's the mirror? What the? Do you have the mirror?
Rose Beyonde, Therese, Jean Mary.
You are all now dismissed.